Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how to use Keyframe in CapCut application. CapCut is a video editing application that has become very popular in a short time. First you need to open the application. After that you go to the new project. Select the picture or video you want to edit. In this case, it's a picture, so we'll click on the Photos option. We choose the image we want and go to Add. When the project is opened, we need to click on the scale on which our video is located. After that we click on the Keyframe button. It's this diamond. After that, we go to the end of the video and click the same button again. The last thing we need to do is zoom the clip as much as we want at the end of the video. And that is all. Let's play the video to see the results. As you can see, the video has a slight zoom. That is what we wanted to achieve. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.